Start earning an income from home. Get yourself into a system that you can resell over and over again for 100% profit. A system that will teach you to find your confidence and find your voice. A system that gives you step-by-step video training on everything that you need to know to start earning an income from home. You can do it from your phone on your own time, 2 hours a day. A great community on Skool, which is growing every day. And also the system is automated and automail responder with a funnel that's been set up for you. You just need to set up minor little things to link it to your system, basically, because you're gonna sell this thing over and over again for 100% profits. The system gives you specific training for TikTok, for Facebook, faceless marketing if you want to, and Canva and all that kinds of stuff. There's extra bonuses linked to your system. To get started today and to start earning your own income working from home and finding your confidence and your voice, just come and show me and I'll send you over the info.